Welcome to Part 10 Securing JavaScript and ASP .NET Integration. In this video, we will cover essential security practices including token authentication, handling CORS, and input validation. Security is critical for any web application. Without proper measures, your app can be vulnerable to unauthorized access, data breaches, or attacks like XSS or CSRF. Token based authentication, such as JWT, secures your APIs by requiring a token with every request. The backend validates the token, ensuring only authorized users can access resources. Here is an example of sending a JWT token with a fetch API call. The authorization header carries the token, which the backend verifies before returning data. CORS allows your front-end app to communicate with a backend hosted on a different domain. Proper configuration ensures only authorized domains can access your APIs. Always validate inputs on both the front end and back end. This prevents attacks like XSS, SQL injection, and ensures the data entering your system is correct. To summarize, always secure your JS and ASP.NET integration by using JWT for authentication, configuring CORS, and validating user inputs. Security should never be overlooked in full stack applications.